Hello everyone. In this video, I will demonstrate the pragmatic Jira Help Desk connector for Odoo 19. The purpose of this integration is to connect Jira with Odoo Help Desk so that Jira projects, user, master data, and issue can be managed and synchronized with Odoo. Instead of manually entering Jira ticket information into Odoo Help Desk, the connector will allow us to import Jira issues and create corresponding help desk tickets. In this demonstration, I will cover complete workflow and starting from the Jira project and connection setup, followed by the master data import, project import, Jira issue import, help desk ticket creation, and synchronization. So first, let's look up the Jira site. Here we so here we have our Jira instance. For this demonstration, I have created and configured the required Jira project. The Jira project contains the issue that we want to bring into Odoo Helpdesk. For examples, we have uh, a task called test helpdesk Jira import. So description is that, and we also can have a subtask in that task too. So our objective is to bring this issue into Odoo as held as ticket. So now let's on to the Odoo environment. So I'm using the Odoo 19 environment where the Jira Helpdesk connector has been installed and configured. The connector provides a centralized interface for managing the Jira integration. The overall purpose is to reduce manual data entry and allow Jira-related support activities to be handled from Odoo Helpdesk. So uh, let's open Jira Helpdesk connector module. Here we can see the connector dashboard. The dashboard provides access to the Jira integration and related import synchronization functionality. The first step is to establish the connection between Odoo and Jira. So let's open the credentials section. Here we have the credentials section. Here we need to provide Jira connection detail. The required information include Jira instance URL and Jira login email and Jira API token. So for the instance URL, uh, we provide Jira or Atlas instance URL, that is we can found here the Mustaqim Kazi atlas.net, and uh, and we have the Jira login email that you log in into the Jira. We have to provide the email, and where we can find the Jira API token. So go to the Atlas account and go to the manage profile security and API tokens. We can create API token. Here I created one Jira test token. So let's after establish the connection, we need to import the required Jira master data. So this step is important because Jira issues depend on the information such as user priority status and issue types. So let's go to import from Jira. This brings uh, this brings the Jira user into Odoo so that user information can be properly mapped when we import project and issue. Next, we import the ticket priority. Okay, so first we import the sections like import user, import project category, import project template, project ticket priority, import status category. So let's first we have to import users. You can see success Jira import summary user imported successfully. So let's go to the import project. See, we can see a pop-up message that it defines that import has been done. Let's do one by one. Let's go this, then issue link types. After that all 8 has been complete, we can move to the project setup stages and tickets. Import project, then import status and stages, import tickets from Jira, and last we have sync ticket status. Here we can also do that. After importing the project, we configure the required held stage. That stage allows Jira issue status to be represented appropriately within Odoo helpdesk. For example, Jira status such as an Odoo in progress or done can be mapped to the corresponding helpdesk stages. So here we have Jira logs that we can see all the logs we can see here if some error occurs. Let's see a status input error. We can see a error message that not enough value to unpack, expected to got one, so we status has been failed. So that's how the Jira logs works. So now let's open our uh, help desk. Here we can see the ticket has been. Let's go to tickets. We can see here we can see our ticket has been created. Test held at Jira input. So we can see a summary over here. Test. We forgot to project detail. We forgot to name the project. So here we can access GST1. Status is to do. Issue type task. Uh, Priority report. Here we can see all the details of the task. And after that, let's suppose we can uh, having some same project like duplicate project. We can go to the Jira. I have one project already, then I can make one repeated project. So go to the Jira Helpdesk, import issue. So Jira issue import has successfully imported. Let's go to the after that. If, if the ticket exists, the existing ticket updated instead of creating another duplicate ticket. For example, you can go to Helpdesk, ticket, all ticket. See, key status is GHT1. Is after duplicating it could be GH22, but instead of that we have GHT1. This ensures that synchronization process does not create duplicate tickets. So yeah, that's it for that integration. Jira and Odoo Helpdesk can work together through the structured synchronization flow. So this complete demonstration of the Jira Helpdesk connector. Thank you for the watching.